Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. So far, I put about 10 minutes in this car, seat time, and it is really easy to shift. Of course, very bumpy on these back roads. You're gonna hear some brakes squeaking a little bit. There's third, fourth. So far, the steering wheel feels good, nice and straight. Like I said, very, very bumpy road. Third. See, the brakes are pretty noisy. They have a decent bite, but you gotta press pretty hard. There's fourth, checking out the alignment. I think it wants to pull a little bit to the right, but we're also on the right side of that road. Really no complaints with drivability though. Beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. And we're going to go panel by panel, interior, engine, wheels, tires, every single piece of this car. So the build sheet will be on our website. Looking at this wheel, got the BBSs forged. You're going to have little imperfections here and there. There's a chip. I don't see any curb rash. Middle, that looks good. Checking out the caliper, bright red. Now you're going to have some little chips and scratches on it. For the most part, looks good. Checking out the barrel, overall in great condition. That's kind of hard to see in here. Got your H&R spacers. Here on the tire, 235, 40, 18. They are Falcons. Date code 2023. Let's try to peek in here at the tread. I'll try to get some photos of that as well online. Here on the fender, look down here, you have a crack, a little scuff there, a couple little dimples in the paint. Looks really good. I have some flaws in here. Typical dimples from the repaint. You're gonna see kind of wavy lines there on the hood. It's really hard to see that and getting in that right lighting. There you go. A lot of orange peel on the mirror cap. Compared to this, a lot of this looks amazing. That mirror cap does have a lot of orange peel. It looks good. That jam is nice and clean. Very nice up here. I do see one chip here. Looking at the glass, it's plexi, and then that's actual glass. See some dimples, a little bit of orange peel in that area. The rest of that door though, it looks good. Side skirt, gonna see some couple chips here and there. Got the color match screws holding it in, looks good. Typical impacts in this area. Here on this wheel, you do have some little scratches there, a couple chips, and then you can see some markings here, some gashes. Has a little bit of blue on there. Get up close, you can see that. Overall though, wheel looks good. Date cut on that tire, 2023. Looking for the size here. Looks like 265, 35, 18. Getting in that barrel. See, they painted this at some point. Lots of bubbles in that red. That's glass. So this is really cool here, being tempered, or plexi, I'm sorry. Looking at that headlight, nice and clear. Of course, when you get close in the paint, you're going to see little texture, little spots. By no means perfect, but from a couple feet away, looks absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, you're going to have all of these weird markings there. Got some cracks there. That marker light looks good. This one has a lot of spider cracking in it, if you see that. Carbon here, that looks good. You can see the clear coat's kind of failing in some spots, and it cracked from when they installed it. Beautiful front lip. A lot of texture and kind of splotchiness there. You got spider cracking kind of peppered throughout that splitter. Actually, just the front bumper, it's a one piece here, so a lot of spider cracking in this area. You see that? And you're gonna see kind of spider cracking in there. Lens looks good. Super, super low. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get underneath this thing and see anything. A little bit of rash. Typical rock chips, things like that. Super cool though. Love this car. Here on this wheel, typical little chips, date code 2023. Very similar to the other side. Got some little scratches, few chips. Got the orange peel on the side mirror compared to the paint. The paint looks good as far as orange peel goes. Got some touch up in here. Just little imperfections here and there. Overall, that looks good. Once again, got the plexi. Little markings throughout. Do have rash on this wheel. Very light though. Looking at the lens, you're gonna see the age. You get up close, see typical flaws. I don't see any big cracks or anything though. Very clean, I think, for the year and all that. Looking at the bumper, got the inserts here. Overall in great condition there. Let's get underneath it. if I can kind of zoom in just a little bit. There you go. All right, checking out the interior. Got the Recaro's Momo steering wheel. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Super, super cool. It looks awesome. Here on this door panel, upper section, overall in great condition. Looks like these are kind of popping out. The handle's nice and secure. That looks good. And that door panel looks really nice. Looking at the jamb. Looks good. A little bit of overspray on some pieces here and there. Looks nice. And here on the seats, of course, you're going to have little stains and markings, and a little bit of wear on the edges. You can see where the seat belt goes. Kind of dingy there. Stuff that kind of rubs on here. But for the most part, though, the seat looks good. Here on the steering wheel, the leather part really nice. You got a lot of wear up here. It's not bright yellow anymore. That looks good. Got a busted edge here, if you can see that. It's kind of cracked in that corner. Just kind of scanning through all the plastics. I know it's dark down here. Overall looks good though. Alright, checking out the front right door panel. This is kind of popping out, it looks like. That side's secure. Handle's good though. Nice and clean. All of that is in great condition. Secured really well. Beautiful panel. Looking in the jambs. Those look good. You're going to see some overspray on some pieces, but for the most part, it looks really nice. Got the weather stripping all the way around. That's in great condition. Looking at the seats, these are super soft. You do have little stains and kind of wear throughout. You can see the stitching. Little flaws there. For the most part, looks good. I don't see any big rips or anything. Just normal wear from the seat belts and things like that. Here on the dash. Looks good. Upper side. From what I can tell, that's in great condition. Carpets look nice. I'm just going to scan through everything I can. Looks like that's kind of popping out. Pretty tough to see in the back here. Alright, we're just going to scan through the front here. As you can see, it's all kind of gutted. Got a lot of photos of this as well. And then you just set the hood down. It goes in the slots here. Alignment's off just a hair, as you can see. Sometimes you got to do one side a little bit more than the other and get it just right, but I'll do it with two hands, and then you slide the pins in. All right, we're just going to scan through this, and of course on the website we took a ton of photos, so go check those out as well. They'll be high def, so you can really zoom in and check it out. Just going to kind of scan through this. Like I said, get up close. Okay, we're gonna do a cold start. It's been sitting in our showroom in the bay here for probably 12 hours. Try to get out here. It's tough.